Chicken is marinated with mustard oil, ginger and garlic, dried fenugreek and curry leaves, and a very special blend of spices called Achari Masala. Achar is typically a pickling spice, and its flavors are going to make these wings sing. These are cooked on my barbecue for optimal flavor. I'm going to start with 2 pounds of chicken wings. I've separated the wingettes and the drumettes. To marinate it, start with the juice of half a lime, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and this is optional, but I'm going to be using a half teaspoon of dried curry leaves and also a half teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi. The star of the show, of course, is this pickling spice or Achari Masala. Make the pickle masala by roasting the following until they're aromatic: 100 grams of mustard seeds or rye, 50 grams of fenugreek seeds or methi, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds aka saunf, 1 tablespoon of Nigella seeds also called kalonji, 1 tablespoon of Carom seeds or ajwain, and a quarter cup of curry leaves or curry pata. Saute this well so everything is nice and roasted and aromatic, and then allow it to cool completely. Once cool, transfer this to a food processor and process it. Add this to a bowl and then add in 50 grams of turmeric powder, 100 grams of red chilli powder, 50 grams of salt, a tablespoon of Asafoetida or hing, 2 tablespoons of dry ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of raw mango powder, and a tablespoon of sugar. Heat up some mustard oil and add this in a little bit at a time, incorporating into the spice blend. This enhances the flavor and extends the shelf life. Also add in a few drops of the juice of a lime. Mix this well together and remove the lumps using the back of a spoon or your fingers. Allow this to cool and then bottle it or store it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge. You can also freeze it for a long time. This has a super rich and intense flavor if you make it yourself, but you can also just buy it from the store. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Achari Masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a quarter cup of chopped coriander. Mix this well, and for best results, I like to marinate it overnight. I like to cook this on my barbecue in the summer, but you can also just cook it in the oven or in your air fryer. Enjoy.